Hi guys, and welcome to another video. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to read data from the keyboard. So we're going to use a function that you guys can find under stdio.h. So let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is to declare a variable. Okay, so we need to have in mind what kind of variable we want to read. For example, I want to read a number. In this case, a integer. So I'm gonna create a variable called my number. Okay, we don't need to initialize, but you can initialize as a 0 if you want to. So we're gonna print a message to the user, so he could type a number. For example, type some number. Let's add a /n to append a new line, semicolon at the end. So now we can read the number. There is a special function called Scanf or Scanf, which reads the data from the keyboard. The first argument is the type of data that we're gonna read. For example, we're gonna read a integer, so we use the %d. We add a comma, and here we're gonna use a pointer to the variable my number. So this and sign means pointer. We're gonna talk about this later. Okay, just don't worry about now. Just keep in mind that you need this to point to the variable. Then we're gonna store this value, and finally we're gonna type another printf. You've typed the number and %d, comma, my number. So let's compile this, guys. Let's see how long it would take to compile. So it's very simple. You guys can see we have typed some number. I'm gonna type number 8, and you guys can see that you've typed the number 8. So this is how you can read a number. Let's say I want to read a string, a name, for example. We need to create a char called name. Okay, we don't want to specify the number of characters now, so we change this to a %s. And %s. Let's change this to name and name. Let's compile again. There is an error. Okay, we do need to specify the size, so let's just put 16. So 16. Let's see if it's okay. Let's execute. So the message should be type some name, for example, C programming. Yeah, so you guys can see we've just typed C. Okay, but you guys can see that maybe I'm missing something here. Oh, maybe not. But as you guys can see, that's the way we do. So thank you guys for watching this video. See you guys next time.